Hello and welcome everyone for our second lecture of class 9 science and technology. So in our first lecture we have started chapter 1 of class 9 science, that was laws of motion. So in that chapter we have seen what is meant by motion. We have discussed some basic terms like distance, displacement. Also we have seen velocity and speed. Okay. So the basic difference between speed and velocity we have been cleared through this concept. Now in this lecture we are going to solve some numericals related to speed and velocity. Okay. So whatever I am going to teach you in this lecture, please listen it carefully. Okay. Now let us start then with the very first numerical. So to begin with, let me clear some basic concepts or tips that I want to give you while solving a numerical. What you have to do at the beginning, that whenever you are going to solve a numerical, you have to read the question carefully. Okay, we have to find out what terms are given in the question. Okay, and what is the requirement of that question, what we have to find in that particular numerical. Okay, by reading the question we must get the basic idea of the question. Okay, now first, we will read the question carefully. Question 1. What will be the speed of car if it has covered a distance of 900 meter in 5 minutes? Now, what is the question? There is one car which has covered a distance of 900 meter. Okay. So that car has covered a distance of 900 meter in 5 minutes. So what is given in this question? We have been provided with the distance and the time. Okay, and what we have to find, we have to find the speed of that car. Okay, so first we will write the given. What now? In the given, as we have been provided with the distance, so first we will write distance, that is equal to 900 meters. Okay, then time is 5 minutes. So we have written time equal to 5 minutes, but the SI unit of time is seconds. So we want to convert this 5 minute into seconds. Now we know that 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay. So we will multiply 5 by 60. Okay. So 5 into 60 give us 300. So 5 minutes equal to 300 seconds. Okay. 5 6 are 30 and 2 zeros 10, so that gives us 300 seconds. Okay, now what we have to find, we have to find speed. So speed equal to question mark, as we don't know what is the speed of that car. Okay, then we'll take the solution now. So first, in the beginning, for solving any numerical, once you know what is the given and what you have to find, then the only thing that must be with you is the formula. You must know the formula properly. Okay, so the formula of speed, which has been taught to you in the first lecture, it is speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, so we have written the formula first, speed equal to distance upon time. What is distance? 900 meter. So we have mentioned it over here. Then time is 300 seconds. So 300 seconds. Okay. Now a simple division has to be performed. These 0 get cancelled. We have 9 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Okay. 300 ones are 300 and 300 threes are 900. So we get speed equal to 3 meter per second. Okay, so SI unit of speed is meter per second. Suppose you do not remember the SI unit of particular physical quantity. So what you can do, in the formula itself, distance, it is given as meter. Okay, and time, it is in second. Okay, so the basically the unit of speed will be meter per second. Okay, if you do not remember any SI unit for a physical quantity, you can find that SI unit from the formula itself. Okay. Now we have got the speed, that is 3 meter per second. Now I have seen a lot of time that students do not write the conclusive statement. Okay. So whenever you find the speed equal to 3 meter per second, you have got the answer. Always write that answer finally in a form of sentence. So the speed of car was 3 meter per second. It is necessary as this particular statement carries half mark. Okay. Now this was all about first numerical. Okay. Now I will head towards the another numerical, question 2. Now read the question. A drone had displaced itself with a velocity of 25 meter per second. The distance covered by drone is 1 kilometer. Find the time taken by drone to cover the given distance. Now in this question, we have been provided with the velocity of a drone. There is one drone which has displayed itself from initial position to final position. The velocity of that displacement was 25 meter per second. Okay, and the distance covered by drone is 1 kilometer. So the distance between the initial point and the final point is 1 kilometer. Now what we have to find? We have to find the time taken by drone to cover the given distance. So in how many seconds does this drone had covered this 1 kilometer distance with a velocity of 25 meter per second? We have to find that. Okay. So first we will note down the given. So velocity as it is given as 25 meter per second. So we will write velocity equal to V, as velocity symbol is small v. So V is equals to 25 meter per second. Now we have been provided with a displacement which is 1 kilometer. So displacement equal to S, the denotation of displacement, equal to 1 kilometer. So this particular unit has been given, term has been given in kilometer. We have to convert this kilometer into meters. So we know that 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters. Okay. Now in kilometer, this K, it is nothing but 10 raised to 3. Okay. 10 raised to 3. So 1 and 3 zeros. So I have multiplied 1 into 1000, that will give us 1000. So displacement in meters is 1000 meters. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find the time. So time equal to question mark. Now the solution. First we will note down the formula. So formula for velocity is velocity equal to displacement upon time. Okay. So the displacement is given, that is 1000 meters. So we have written 1000 over here, and the velocity is provided, that is 25 meter per second. So we have written 25 in place of small v. Okay. So 25 equal to 1000 upon t. Now we have to find time. Okay. This t is dividing in the RHS. In the right hand side, it is dividing. Okay. Now if we take this t in the left hand side, it is going to multiply it. So t into 25 it will be. Okay. And this 25 which is multiplying, it will come and divide over here. So 25 will take the place of t and t will take the place of 25. Okay. So t equal to 1000 upon 25. Okay. Here 25 is there. Okay, 25 equal to 1000 upon t. Okay, now this t, okay, which is used to divide 1000, it will go in the left hand side. Okay, so t into 25 equal to 1000. Okay, now 25 is multiplying with t in the LHS, so that is going to divide in the RHS. So 1000 upon 25. So we have got this step over here, t equal to 1000 upon 25. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, and this 0. So we get t equal to 40 seconds. Okay. So the time taken by the drone to cover a distance of 1 kilometer is 40 seconds. Okay. So this was the second numerical. Now, third numerical. The question is, Manu Bhekar shots at a target which is 50 meter away from her. If the velocity of a bullet is 350 meter per second, find the time taken by a bullet to reach the target. Okay, so you know a famous Indian shooter, that is Manu Bhekar. Now, if she shots a target which is 50 meter from her, away from her, so suppose here is a target. Okay, now this girl is shooting at the target. Okay, she has the pistol with her and she is going to fire a bullet to that target. Okay, and the distance between her and the target is, the distance between this girl Manu Bhekar and the target is 50 meters. Okay, so you have been provided with the displacement. Now if the velocity of bullet is 350 meter per second, the bullet that she has fired, it has the velocity of 350 meter per second. So velocity is also given 350 meter per second. What you have to find? You have to find the time taken by a bullet to reach the target. So in how many seconds does this bullet reach the target once fired? We have to find that time. Okay. So we will note down the given velocity equal to v equal to 350 meter per second. Then displacement equal to s equal to 50 meters, and we have to find time. So first we will note down the formula, that is velocity equal to displacement upon time. So v is equals to s upon t. Okay. Now velocity is 350, which has been provided, equal to displacement, it is 50 upon t. Okay. Similarly, in the last example we did same conversion we are going to do in this example. We will multiply t by 350. Okay, then that 350 is going to come in the RHS and it is going to divide this 50. So t equal to 50 upon 350. Now this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. So we get t equal to 1 upon 7 seconds. Okay. You can stop your numerical at this point or else you can divide it further. So 7 ones are 7. Okay. 7 zeros are 0. Then point. Then we get 10. So 7 ones are 7. Now 3 left. Okay. So we get 30. So 7 fours are 28. Now 2 left. 30 minus 28, 2. So 2 and 0, 20. We get 7 twos are 14. So we get t equal to 0.142 seconds. What is t? 0.142 seconds. So this is the time taken by a bullet to reach the target. Okay. So this was the last numerical for today. Now your homework will be, you have to solve this numerical. The question is, Jason left for school from his home at 9 a.m. He reached school at 9:15 a.m. by walking. If the distance between Jason's home and his school is 600 meter, then find at what speed he walked to reach school. Okay, this is the question. You have to find the answer to this question. Okay. Now in next lecture, we are going to study acceleration and motions, linear motions. We are going to study uniform and non-uniform linear motion and acceleration in the next lecture. Thank you.